Good morning, guys. My name is Rohith Kumar, rule number 2401420. Today's topic is how banking crisis and non-performing assets are affecting India's economic growth. India's as we know, India's banking sector is the backbone of economic growth, but non-performing assets remain a big concern. NPS are loans that borrowers fails to repay, causing stress in banks. High NPS reduce lending, slow down economic growth, weaken investor confidence. Let's break down how NPS are affecting India's economy and what can be done. So, first of all, what are NPS? NPS refers to loans where repayments are overdue by 90 plus days. And the types of NPS are number one, substandard assets, which are overdue for less than 1 year. And second, doubtful assets, which are overdue for more than 1 year. Loss assets, the which are deemed non-recoverable by banks. Public sector banks have highest NPA levels, impacting financial stability. Now, how NPAs affect India's economy? Banks stop lending. High NPAs force banks to reduce fresh loans, which is slowing down economic growth. Number two, financial instability. Weak banks struggle to operate, increasing risk in the banking system. Government burden. The government often bails out failing banks, increasing financial deficit. Number four, investor confidence drops. Global and domestic investors avoid weak banking sectors. Number five, credit crunch for businesses. Small businesses and startups suffer as loans become harder to get from the banks. Why NPS are rising in India? Poor lending practices. Banks give large loans without proper risk assessment. Corporate loan defaults. Big companies like Kingfisher Airlines, DHFL took massive loans but failed to repay. Economic slowdowns like COVID 19 and global recessions affected businesses' ability to pay back loans. Frauds and scams. Banking frauds like PNB, Modi scam 14,000 crores, worsened NPS problems. Government and RBI measures to control NPS. IBC, Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code, a process which makes faster recovery of bad loans. Bad Bank, a new system to take over NPS from banks and recover funds. Recapitalization of banks. The government is infusing money into big banks. RBI strict rules monitoring. Banks must now report NPS transparently and maintain higher capital reserves. What needs to be done is better risk assessment. Banks should focus on credit worthiness before lending. Then, strong corporate governance. Avoid frauds through strict regulations and audits. Encourage digital banking and fintech. AI and blockchain can improve loan tracking. Boost private investment. More private sector participation in banking can improve efficiency. So, uh, conclusion and call to action are like NPS are a major challenge, but strong policies and banking reforms can ensure stability. The Indian banking sector must improve risk assessment and adapt tech driven solutions and prevent fraud to sustain growth. What do you think, guys? Should India privatize more banks to solve the NPA crisis? Comment below. Thank you.